What is Cisco CCNA and what does its new update in August 2024 consist of? The Cisco CCNA Telecommunications Technician course at VLA is a comprehensive program that prepares you from scratch to master network and communication technology. You will learn to configure and manage networks using the standards. Cisco, the world leader in network solutions. The certification was recently updated to version 1.1, where generative artificial intelligence, cloud, network management, and machine learning are included. The industry requires professionals with this profile. Do you know any company that is not connected to the network? Of course not. All of them are. By learning about networks, the entire world will be your playground. What types of jobs are most common for a Cisco expert? Cisco experts are crucial for managing enterprise networks, act as consultants or provide technical support in international corporations. Additionally, teaching is a viable option due to the constant need for qualified instructors. The high demand for these roles generally translates into competitive salaries and good opportunities for career advancement. What will you learn in this program? You will learn about router configuration, switches, network fundamentals, automation, and security. Preparing you for the certification exam with the latest update version 1.1 of Cisco CCNA. What is it like to study at VLA? The most important thing for us is that you learn how to work. At VLA, you will experience learning through certified professionals who are currently working at Cisco. They will be your instructors. We include topics that other academies do not cover, but are required of you. In jobs such as troubleshooting methodologies, protocols, BGP, in addition to the bootcamp for preparing for the new Cisco CCNA exam version 1.1, where you will perform practices to pass the certification exam. You will receive free and unlimited tutoring, as well as support to find employment through BlaJobs. You will not find an academy that cares so much about the success and well-being of its students. See you in the virtual classroom.